Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace spark plugs on your Jeep Wrangler. First, gather your essential tools, including a spark plug socket, ratchet, and extension. Always ensure your engine is completely cool before you begin to prevent burns and damage. Take a moment to locate all the spark plugs, typically found on the engine's cylinder head, often beneath ignition coils or wires. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe process. Before anything else, disconnect the negative terminal of your battery to prevent any electrical issues. Next, carefully remove the ignition coil or spark plug wire connected to each plug. Be gentle to avoid damaging the connectors. Then, using your spark plug socket and ratchet, loosen each old spark plug by turning it counterclockwise. Once loose, you can remove them by hand. Now, prepare your new spark plugs. Apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads of each new plug. This helps prevent them from seizing in the cylinder head. Carefully hand-tighten each new spark plug into its port to avoid cross-threading. Once snug, use a torque wrench to tighten them to your vehicle's manufacturer-specified setting, ensuring proper sealing and performance. With all new spark plugs installed, it's time to reassemble. Reconnect the ignition coils or spark plug wires firmly to each new plug, ensuring they click into place. Finally, reattach the negative battery terminal. Double-check all connections, then start your Jeep Wrangler's engine. Listen for smooth idling and confirm there are no misfires, indicating a successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.